In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the trees coding exercise. We are given a tree that consists of 3 nodes, a root, a left child, and a right child. The problem asks us to return true if the sum of the values of the 2 children equals the value of the root, and false otherwise. To do this, we will go inside of our check tree function. Let's return if root's value equals the sum of root's left child value and root's right child value. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.